Oh.
See, you got to.
Just like us, Susan.
You got a girl. You got a girl.
Start to stutter when I speak. Want to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I live my
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and we back with another video, y'all. Obviously, y'all know we on vacation by now, and we are here at, I guess this is like the marina, because we're about to get on a little boat, y'all. Check out the views. Super cute. Oh my God, you hear the cicadas? This is so pretty. Hot indeed. For sure. Okay, y'all. So anyway, it's 91 degrees out here, y'all. This is the fit of the day. Okay, period for the boat. Okay, big hat, block the sun. Okay, anyway, y'all. We gonna be back. We gonna be back.
You know, people be living on these boats. Go while the boat is moving. He's playing music, so you gotta catch a little bit of footage at a time because of copyright.
Oh, he said there's some dolphins over here. Oh, look. Can I zoom in close enough? Oh, they were like out the water. Oh, wait. I saw like a little piece. Oh, wait. You are seeing, look, it's coming like right, sitting like right on the water. Dang, where did he go? Oh, it disappeared now, man. You see, did you say get ready for him? Babe.
You recording now, man?
I am, because, oh, look, got him. Got him, watch. When you go back and look at it, you're going to be like, oh, she did get her. Oh, see what I'm saying? Okay, that's how you know the difference. See? See what I'm saying?
And it's just here the water.
Look, oh, he right here. Another one.
Ella, do you see it? Come here. Come here, Nugget.
Nah, I'm gonna leave it.
Put it back.
I'm gonna put it back.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, Captain.
You're welcome.
Well, thank you, Captain. We gotta say thank you. Gotta thank the captain because he could have left us under the sea.
You don't need stuff the way you didn't find it.
Now I'm not gonna take it out and put it back
Your mama
inside
ain't
the
raised
thing.
you right, so then you take it with you and then you trash it after. Your mama ain't raised you right.
No, because that's wasting. Somebody else could use it.
You leave things how
listen.
you found them.
Listen.
That's the rule.
If we
of
would have left that water, right? You know what he would have did? Washed it off and put it back in there for somebody else.
But then we would
Somebody live out here. Somebody live out here. These people live out here. This is crazy. Live on your boat.
This is beautiful.
People live on their boat.
It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, can we eat on this tiki bar right here? What is this? Oh, this is for alcoholic beverages.
Your legs hurt?
These shoes on my ankle hurt.
Sheesh. Boy, I got the footage for y'all, boy.
Tiki tour. Oh, you take a tour on this like this. Oh, how we get back?
What's a tour bus, man?
Oh, we gotta
wait on him.
Do I just walk with the bag? You take a tour on that.
Yeah, it's a tour. Anybody want to take a tour on that right there?
All right, we're going to Caribbean Jack.
She wants us to go to this Caribbean Jack spot. I don't know what we gonna do. What we gonna do?
Let me stand right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is people working. All right, let's get over here. Let's see what happens.
Just have a seat, man. Well, not in the sun.
And this little thing right here, think it's fine? You want to sit right there?
Yeah.
Another example of correlation.
Let's see how far she gonna go.
Tell me where to sit, man.
Tell you where to sit?
Yeah.
Sit where you want to sit.
Because you're going to have something to complain about. Oh, man, this seat's not big enough for my booty.
What you say?
And this seat's not big enough for my booty. Yeah, we got to sit in the booth.
Them hams, that's why.
Yeah,
Look.
we can't sit there. That's not big. That's not for my booty.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Gotta get it for your vlog.
that's a little chair.
Cheeks hanging on. Gee. Gotta put that booty on the slab. It's crazy. So I'm too tall to sit in here, guys. I'm too tall. So we can't sit here. Beautiful, we cannot sit here.
So we can't even eat here now. Because that's the small
They got
but
chairs right here.
and that's an ugly view. That view is not nice.
What do you want a view of?
This,
What's the purpose of coming here?
just to eat and to have this view.
Well, she want to eat and have a view.
You can leave. You can find somewhere else.
Oh my gosh. Everything got to be a vibe for her. We just can't.
Come on.
Gonna walk to a million stairs for no reason. So, if you're a basketball player, do not go to that place there. What's the name of that place again?
Captain Jack, Caribbean Jack.
Do not go to Caribbean Jack. Anybody that is over 6 foot tall, do not go to Caribbean Jacks. The seating is terrible. If you got a lady with some hamburglers, please, she cannot sit down in the seat. She cannot sit down in the seat. Okay? It's too small. Sorry.
Get matched and mattress firm. Sleep at night. Restrictions apply. See store website for
Plus good weather and traffic every 10 minutes.
You'll know what to wear and what roads to avoid. You watch us, you'll be ready for the day. That's a promise. We'll see you tomorrow morning on Channel 9 Eyewitness News This Morning.
Starting at 4:30 a.m.
Car accident? After 911, call 411. 1-800-411-PAIN. And now, we're connecting you back to the stars on Star 94.5, the soul of Orlando.
In tax debt for their clients. Call now for free consultation. Call 800-358.
Data all for just $20 a month for the whole first year. Get it at Walmart or Straight Talk.
She running out without me.
Less dollars, more cents.
She running out without me.
Activation of iPhone 12 and a new Silver Unlimited plan or higher end auto pay with $25 a month service credit applied.
Back into this heat, boy. Ooh, how you doing, beautiful?
Baby,
Which way we gotta go?
we get to the car. We gotta go to the car.
So where we going next?
We going to get some. We going to I Love Sugar because I love sugar. Bathroom. Wait, where are we going right now?
What do you mean, where we going?
100 feet.
We gonna have to go back to the room if you gotta use the bathroom.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
If you gotta go back to the room, then Hobby Lobby got a bathroom. Hobby Lobby over there.
Go get it.
Oh.
See, you got to.
Just like a sister.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Start to stutter with the speed. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my